Hello there. I think we can all agree it's got the best storm name that we've seen in years. Storm Bert. It's working its way across us over the weekend. It's going to push all the very cold air out the way, but instead it's going to bring us some very strong winds and some very heavy downpours as well. First thing on Saturday, already the chart is looking pretty messy. There's a lot of hazards here, so let's take them one at a time. During the night on Friday, many of us will see a widespread frost at first, but as the system pushes in, the temperatures will gradually rise. So the frost will just really be in the east first thing on Saturday morning. Very, very cold here. Elsewhere, already plenty of wet and windy weather. The winds are likely to be strongest in the northwest, where they could be gusting over 70 miles an hour. The worst of the winds will be around the coast, but also further inland. They're likely to be very blustery as well. We'll also have some very heavy snow. That's where this system slams into the cold air, so the leading edge is where we're going to see most of the wintry weather. Now, some of this is likely to be quite wet snow, so cling to things like branches and power lines, so could cause a problem with some power cuts as well, particularly over parts of Scotland and parts of northeast England. Then we'll also have some heavy rain. Some of the worst of that wet weather is likely to be in the west of Ireland, but also in southwest England through Wales and northwest England as well. There could be around 150 millimetres of wet weather from this system. Fortunately, November has been dry up till now, but 150 millimetres is a lot to have in a very short amount of time. Now, this system will work its way across us and a lot of the snow will eventually turn to rain. But of course, that will give us a problem with snow melt. So some places could have around 50 centimetres of snow lying on the ground, and then that will all very quickly melt and could give us a problem with flooding. Now, by Sunday, things are looking a bit better. A little bit better, but not good. We'll have lots of heavy rain still for many of us and still some pretty strong winds. The area of most persistent rain will be in the south, and that only slowly will be edging its way eastwards. Elsewhere it will dry up for a time, but then we'll see plenty more showers. And again, the winds will pick up over parts of the northwest, but also along the south coast as well. So Sunday is still looking like a rather lively day. On Monday, the storm system will eventually begin to pull away and fill. But as it does so, the winds will be swinging down from the north, dragging in some more cold air. So many of these showers will be turning wintry once more, and it looks like next week it will again be rather a cold week.